Hello everyone, this is Chris Eberly, an engineer at Plexim. In this video, I will be showing the new block set and target support package for our simulation software PLECS that has been developed by Imperix to directly interface with their controller prototyping platforms. Imperix is a solution provider for the research and development of power electronic systems. It markets equipment for rapid control and converter prototyping. The Imperix target support package contains blocks to simulate and generate control code for Imperix controllers directly from the PLECS environment. The compatible targets are the Imperix BBox RCP unit and the BBoard Pro. The following video displays a small example of how you can use the Imperix controller target support package to virtually test and then deploy automatically generated code on its targets. You can easily develop your control model using the full potential of PLECS and the RCP approach to have your embedded controller functioning in no time. The Imperix target support package contains I/O blocks such as ADC and PWM components which accurately model the real peripherals of the target. In particular, the sampling instance, PWM update rates, algorithm computation time, and the discretization of the control loop are all taken into account. The tight integration of the target support package into PLECS ensures that your control algorithm behaves in simulation as it will on real hardware, making it possible to tune and optimize your control algorithm offline. In offline simulation, the plant and the control models are simulated together. Therefore, you can challenge your control implementation on a simulated high-definition plant model developed using PLEX's standard physical modeling libraries, which include electrical, magnetic, mechanical, and thermal. Using feedback from the simulation, you can tune your control regulation parameters accordingly. Once you have achieved optimal results in simulation, you can then test your control algorithm by executing it on real hardware. Using the PLECS coder with the Imperix target support package, you can easily generate C code that will be executed directly on your Imperix controller in a real-time interrupt fashion. The BB Control software utility provides various tools to access, monitor, and tune your control algorithm in real time. The data logging feature lets you capture your results on an oscilloscope-like interface with a resolution of 200,000 points. The transient feature lets you apply a set of configurable steps to test the dynamic behavior of your control algorithm or implement a specific test scenario. You can export the graph containing each and every sample of your log data for use in your next publication. If you already have PLECS and the PLECS coder, you can begin experimenting with the target support package today by downloading it free of charge from Imperix's website. Should you already have Imperix hardware and not PLECS, you can request temporary but fully functional licenses of PLECS and the coder from our website. If you do not yet have your power stage available, or for safety reasons prefer to test your control logic against a simulated plant, the PLECS RT-Box family of hardware-in-the-loop simulators can also be used with Imperix controllers as a virtual power electronic test bench. Please contact Imperix for web-based demonstrations or questions about pricing and hardware evaluations. Thank you for tuning in.